YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, the market's getting wiped out right now. We gotta talk about it. But before we get into that, guys, I just gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Just talking to you guys about some cryptocurrencies. You guys could see the market cap has now broken below $3 trillion and prices have just capitulated since 94K, which I told you guys can happen. I said, you know, if we so happen to start dropping below that Keltner channel that we were dropping below, it was going to be a slippery slope. We're going to talk about today, guys, though, as you guys could see, market cap absolutely getting wrecked, down 8% on the entire market, guys. 8%. Fear Greed Index dropping all the way down to a 29. Bitcoin dropping down to 88K. Amazing. $88,000 Bitcoin. Just seeing some big capitulation just within the past little while. And the last video even that I was making, the XRP video, was talking about this bear flag that we were creating. We had just created one right here. Yikes, man. I mean, Bitcoin seeing some big sell-off, right? I was telling you guys, if we drop under 92, that 92.8, I was going to be concerned, right? Well, this was the concern, is because we don't have very much support up under that. But as you guys can see now, we're coming in at 88K. Are we getting any closer to the bottom, or does Bitcoin again need to correct some more? Honestly, guys, it's looking like we need to see a little bit more of a correction. But let's pull some of these charts and see what we can see on here and find out what's kind of going on with Bitcoin, where things are headed, at least in the short term, perhaps the long term. As you guys could see, 1-day chart. Sheesh, man. Ripping right down below this bottom Keltner channel. Yikes. Wow, look at that 1 hour. Wow, look at that bread candle. Sheesh. Broke right down below 90K. Didn't even stop and ask questions. Just ripped right below it. Opened up another 30-minute candle. Another big red. 2 big reds in a row, man. And I told you guys what happens when we start rejecting off that bottom Keltner channel. I said, be careful if we start rejecting off this bottom Keltner channel, because what I say becomes a slippery slope, right, bro? It's rejected off of here, rejects here, and boom, it gets nasty, right? That's what we didn't want to see happen. And now look, Bitcoin's going to come up again and retest this again. And yikes, man, we got to see some positive price action. Otherwise, it's not going to be good right now. We're kind of breaking. We're definitely breaking. Let me see. Some of these longer term charts, right? We don't have this bull flag forming anymore on this 1 week. And we're starting to rip below, again, this bottom Keltner channel. It's not good. It's not good. 1 month chart also looking like we're starting to see some breakdown, right? Interesting. Maybe something similar to this, possibly. Maybe not. Maybe a bigger sell-off necessary. Hard to say. Hard to say because nobody knows the future. Look at the 3-month chart, though, man. 3-month chart looking solid. 3-month chart looking like, bro, I will sell all the way down to 80K. And then rip up. Which is what CZ said. CZ said like 85K. Which makes sense. I mean, the 3-month, that would make sense. But we'll see. We'll see how far down Bitcoin goes. I'm definitely curious to see how far the rest of the market goes down, too. Let's go actually check out the rest of the market, right? And so caught up on Bitcoin. Let's go see what this has created. What kind of mess, right? You guys can see the total market cap down 8% right now. This thing is just wreaking chaos in the market. Look at XRP in the past hours, guys. XRP down 14%, Ethereum down 13%, Solana down 15%. Wow, it's like Christmas. Oh my gosh. Chainlink down 15%. Amazing. Wow, man. People don't like when the market looks like this, but honestly, man, I'm just like, wow. Whenever it happens, I'm just like, wow. Awesome. It's kind of cool because you get cheaper prices. But look, Toshi Coin seeing some big volatility up and down all the way down to 212 at the time of the video. Let's pull this up over on Dex Tools and see what's going on. See what's going on with the Tosh. Starting to see the impacts of this volatility, right? We were holding pretty good for a long time. And then as soon as the market decided it wanted to break down, telling you guys, we gotta be paying attention to Bitcoin. This is why we always watch Bitcoin. Some people would always be like, I'll be making videos and I'll talk about Bitcoin at the beginning of the video, and then people be like, why you talk about Bitcoin? This about Toshi. I'm like, bro, because this number right here, this Bitcoin dominance, you see how it's going up to 61% right now? No bueno, homie. This is going to drag us. And so I'm trying to let you know what you should be paying attention to and what you guys should be watching for. Some of you guys have already been watching for this stuff, and fortunately, it hasn't been playing out in the bullish favor right now. But we always kind of give you guys, well, I always kind of give you guys like both case scenario, right? I'm telling you guys kind of like what to look out for, what to pay attention to, stuff like that. Just so again that you guys know what I'm looking at and what you guys should be looking at in terms of like recovery and in terms of like stuff like that. You know, you can see Toshi Coin starting to break down with the rest of the market right now. It's not holding bad. I mean, it is down 16% on the 24-hour, but again, not holding too bad. Either way, I'm looking to shop this thing, man. Man, if this goes down into the 100 millions though, oh my gosh. How lucky am I? Isn't that crazy? Is that a crazy thing to think? I feel like once my first bull rally, I used to think that like when people saw cheaper prices and they would talk about buying the dip, I'm like, you're insane. You're insane. You know what you're talking about? All these people are crazy around here talking about buy the dip. What is this? Like, you know, like my portfolio's down. What the? And then look, you see some of these people are doing exactly that, buying the dip, right? Some people cashing out. Some people buying in, right? Some bots too. Accumulating. Paying attention. At the same time, guys, Toshi Coin holders coming in at 544,000 right now. Time of this video. So holder count increasing. Market is going down, of course, down like 20% today. Down like 20%, down at like 200 million. But again, guys, how many X's to the top? Like almost 5 X's. Almost like 5 X's to a billion, bro. So sheesh. Wow. Amazing. In the past 7 days, Toshi Coin down 30%. Wow. Y'all think I'm really not looking for this on the dip. I'm looking to buy something. I'm looking for the cheapest price I can get on Toshi. But judging by the Bitcoin market, it looks like we might see a little bit more sell-off. I'm curious to see how much. Because again, this coin has been holding so good. Until Bitcoin started going crazy, this coin has been holding so good, bro. Now Bitcoin coming in at 88K. This is going to cause a big panic in the market. Because now we're under 90K, and this is like becoming like a psychological barrier now. 90K is going to become the new psychological barrier, and that's not hot. We don't want that because we don't have a lot of support. Again, down here in this range, we don't have a lot of support because we had a big crazy run up from November. This kind of really reminds me of March. When I was telling you guys, we had this like insane run up in March. And this is like so overbought right now. It's insane. We were up like 50%. Similar type of thing. We're up insane. You know, nobody thought that from November to January that we were going to be sitting at 100K Bitcoin. Nobody really foresaw this. So the fact that it happened and now we're seeing the sell off, again, it's healthy. It's healthy. These markets do take some time, but I want to know what you guys think though. Do you guys think that we've seen a blow off top? Do you think this is the top of the cycle? I personally don't think that this is the top of our cycle, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that this is the top of our cycle? As you guys can see, some of these coins absolutely getting hit today. Absolutely getting hit. Let's look actually at the fear greed index, right? It's like 1144 at night. Just chilling, boys. Look at this thing just dropping down. What's it going to touch it's going to touch red? What the? This thing is really feeling the fear, bruh. Like down even below like this. Like, look, we were like a 30 over here. Like, what is it, like a 30? Yeah, like a 30. We're at 29, bro. We're at 29. This is the most fear we've seen in a cool minute, bruh. I'm not even mad, bro. Really not. Actually, like, see, guys, when they're fearful, I'm greedy. When they're greedy, I'm fearful. It's I actually think exactly like the opposite. People are like, oh, aren't you so sad? Aren't you freaking out? I'm like, no, I'm not freaking out. I'm just looking for what's on sale and what I want to be paying attention to right now. I'm not freaking out at all. I'm not freaking out at all. I was freaking out when things were at the all-time high, and I was like, dang, I gotta figure out what I'm doing. Gotta figure out my bags and stuff like that. But I'm not really freaking out at all about this price actions. You guys can see Bitcoin coming in at 89. Are we gonna see Bitcoin make a comeback? Are we gonna see Toshi Coin make a comeback? What's gonna happen, guys? I want to know. Again, Toshi Coin looking very volatile right now. The time of the video, this 15-minute, looking not so hot, right? 1 hour also looking like we're starting to see a breakdown on Toshi. I'm curious to know what you guys think the floor will be. I've heard some predictions, but I'm always open to hearing more. Again, we're not doing super bad, but again, definitely concerned, right, about us breaking down off of this. I was telling you guys, if Bitcoin starts breaking down, we gotta be concerned. Pay attention, right? So definitely something to pay attention to. Again, Toshi coin looking out, that coin that I'm looking to pick up on a dip. Seems like a lot of these guys are still shopping Toshi Coin, still getting big buy orders. A lot of people accumulating, getting ready for what they think could be the next altcoin season. But when will this occur, guys? I really don't know. Again, the fact that now we're breaking so far below, it really is having me think that this could take some time for a recovery, depending on how low we get. But how long is it going to take? Again, I don't know. For a reason, because again, things are volatile. And yeah. Curious what you guys think, though. Let me know what you guys think about the market in the comment section below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.